Richard Glossip, the death row inmate who has long maintained his innocence in a 1997 homicide, will now appear before the U.S. Supreme Court. It is a major win for the defense, which last year was joined by Oklahoma's chief law officer in calling for his conviction to be thrown out. 2 News Oklahoma's Samson Tamijani has the latest.
Richard Glossip was convicted not once but twice for hiring then 19-year-old Justin Sneed to murder Oklahoma City motel owner Barry Van Treese in 1997. Glossip since faced 9 different execution dates in McAllister and had his last meal 3 times. But now the nation's highest court will hear from him and the state's attorney general before deciding his fate.
I didn't have any idea when they would do that, or even if they would do that. They certainly didn't have to. They could have denied us.
Glossip's attorney Don Knight tells us he and his client have been on edge for 8 months, even after the Supreme Court granted a temporary stay of execution and Oklahoma Attorney General Gentner Drummond announced he'd back Glossip's appeal, citing concerning lack of evidence used against him. Knight says Glossip was relieved to finally get an update Monday.
It's put a little certainty back into his life. We've been living sort of week to week since basically the summer, and it's taken a big toll on Rich.
The Supreme Court will decide whether to uphold the State Court of Appeals ruling that Glossip's execution must go forward or demand a new trial, which Drummond endorses. The court will also consider an additional legal question, whether Glossip had grounds under Oklahoma law to challenge his conviction. It'll be up to only 8 members, though. Former federal appeals court judge Neil Gorsuch has recused himself from the case. If a majority isn't reached in his favor, the 2022 state appeals court ruling against Glossip will be upheld.
His case deserves a hearing, and no one in the state wanted to hear it. Our own criminal justice system has failed him.
Broken Arrow State Representative Kevin McDougal, a longtime advocate of Glossip, believes the odds are now in his favor.
And I mean, how many times does the death row case actually make it to a hearing at the Supreme Court? There are hundreds filed, and his actually made it. And that's why it shows legitimacy, because this doesn't happen very often.
Knight says even though Glossip remains in prison, he has a brighter wait ahead.
We don't take anything for granted. We are going to prepare, and we're going to do a good job of arguing this case, because Rich Glossip deserves nothing less.
McDougal adds he will travel to Washington in support of Glossip and Knight whenever the Supreme Court sets a date for those arguments. In studio, Samson Tamijani, 2 News, Oklahoma.
The case is expected to be argued in the Supreme Court's next term, which starts in October and ends in June of 2025.